One of the commonest questions patients ask is, how do I select the right IVF clinic? Now, this is an extremely important decision, and they know that because there's a world of a difference between a good clinic and a bad clinic as far as success rates go. And choosing a good clinic will increase your chances of having a deeply desired baby. But how do patients make out? All clinics look the same. Aren't all doctors equally good? And all their websites seem to say exactly the same thing, which is why they use alternative markers. For example, maybe they read an ad in a newspaper, or they attend a free infertility camp sponsored by an IVF clinic, or perhaps their family doctor refers them to an IVF clinic without their realizing that the reason for the referral is because he's getting a kickback, not because that's the best clinic. Or they go to where some friend or relative has done IVF and got pregnant, but that obviously is not the best way of selecting the right clinic for yourself. Other people will choose the cheapest clinic, or some people will choose the clinic which is closest to them. Again, none of these are very reliable mechanisms. And that's why as a patient, you must learn to ask just one simple question, no matter which clinic you go to. And that is, do you provide photos of your embryos to all your patients? Every good clinic does this routinely all the time, because the reality is an IVF clinic can only do one thing: make embryos. Once we make an embryo and put it back in the uterus, we have no control over whether that embryo will become a baby or not. But good IVF clinics pride themselves on their ability, their skill, their lab expertise in creating good quality embryos, which is why they document it and give it to you, so that you have peace of mind that you've received high quality treatment. And you take that documentation to any doctor in the world, they'll be able to tell you, yes, this was a good clinic, irrespective of what the outcome was. So don't get scared, learn to speak up, learn to ask the right questions, because you have a very important role to play in making sure that you're getting the best possible medical care. Have any questions and you find that your doctor is not happy to answer them? Please talk to me. I'm Dr. Malpani. My website is www.drmalpani.com, and we're happy to offer you a free second opinion.